Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is an unboxing of the Bonestone and Earthflesh Tarot, the Reawakening. So this tarot deck is a journey through sacred landscapes and enduring narratives where the hero, the villain, the lover and the seer all leave their mark. Each card carries the voice of land spirits, protective deities, and the wisdom of those who came before. It is rooted in the primal and the eternal, the new edition of the international bestseller by Avalon Cameron and Tourian is an invitation to explore, remember, and with writing, so I can't see it properly, and weave your own path of self-discovery. It is dedicated to the mystics, dreamers, and seekers who trust in the transformative power of divination to reveal their inner temple. Right, it's a box like, say, yay. Just one that you've got to pull apart. Let's pop that to one side. It's got a monster book. This is actually a really heavy book as well. It's got a lot of information in there. Okay, so one of the things I pulled out was this initially. The Bonestone is a traditional tarot in some ways and non-traditional in others. As a lover of the Waite-Smith and Crowley's Thoth Tarot, I felt I needed to weave some of these iconic decks' carefully constructed legacies into the alchemical process of creating the Bonestone and Earthflesh Tarot. The backdrop of the Bonestone is verdant, to say the least. This design honours the earth centre heart that beats a sacred soulful rhythm deep inside my chest. We all have a sacred song. Mine is found in the whispers of the wind, the heady scent of a wet rainforest, the smoky bouquet of a campfire, and the sound of water lapping on rock. I see what you did there. Went through all the elements. The earth is indeed my temple, and I worship her through every fibre of my being. For this reason, I immersed the Bonestone and Earthflesh Tarot into a primeval landscape. Bonestone is a place devoid of barriers, with a cross-cultural infusion of magic and story that speaks to the heart and soul. Listen carefully to your inner compass and the ancient whispers of your ancestors, gods and guides within it. Now, there's an awful lot of information, and I'm not going to go through it all here. But basically, there's a lot of information around working with the deck initially, then some spreads, as you would expect, and then you get into the major arcana. So quite a bit of a way in. You've got the major. Now, you've got an image in a reading. So what does the card mean if it's in a reading? And reversed. So you've got, and then also you've got a little bit of text around the card. So, and the narrative, correspondences, and journal prompts. So this is a working deck. It wants to work for you and with you. Okay, so then you go through and then you've got the major, I think minors then have we got? Then we go into cups. So they're all separated by these pages, the darker pages here, so you can see them at the beginning there. Then you've got the wands and the pentacles. So all of them are there. So you've got swords. Okay, so I'm going to just show you the deck. So, like I said, it's a monster book. It's really quite heavy. Let's pop that to one side and take a look at the cards. The backs are this. The cardstock is very good quality. Really good quality cardstock. Old style cardstock as well, really. And you've got two feathers on either side of them right the way through. So, yeah, it's good solid cardstock. So I'm going to take you through them one at a time. I'll actually put them down. Speed me up or slow me down. It's entirely your choice, but I'm going to hold them up here. So it's like an entire world, you know, like he's created this world. I've lost a 5 then. Sorry. The Hierophant. Okay, and this is an additional card. Then we've got the swords. It's like a journey, isn't it? Like a book, like you're reading a book. All these characters here. Oh gosh, I'm picking on the old bones. But then you have got a page, and this is young Merlin the Apprentice. This is the swords. Athena, the Knight of Swords. So you have page, knight, queen, and king. King Arthur. I grew up in the southwest, and of course we are Arthur obsessed. We're still hoping he's going to come back and sort this right mess out over here. Apparently he's buried. The legacy. The legend is that he is buried in a sacred site, who knows where, under a mountain, and that it takes we have to find the trumpet. A bit like the sword in the stone type thing. You find the trumpet or the thing that will wake him up. Then I can't remember what it was, what instrument. There's an instrument, and then you wake him up by apparently blowing it, and only those that are worthy will find it. I think that's right. If you know any better than me, or if you know more than I do, then let me know. I think that's kind of the summary of what it is that I grew up knowing. Right, so now we've got wands. There we go. Wild horses. Always that saying goes to me, wild horses wouldn't stop me, isn't it? Sorry, did you get that one? I skipped. It got stuck in my hand then. Unfortunately, it's a bit cold over here, so my fingers don't move even at all freely at the moment. They'll be all right soon, though. Right, and then you've got the pentacles. So the earth. You can see the amalgamation of the two decks, can't you? Sorry, I knocked the camera. Okay, so that is the bone of, I'm just trying to get this sorted out a second. That is get the box back for you. Bonestone and Earthflesh Tarot. Okay, let me know what you think in the comments, if you've used it or if you are using it. I love to hear from you, to hear what your thoughts are, because obviously I'm stocking it, so it's nice to know what the reception is. And that's it. Thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye then.